Welcome to the module titled Digital Marketing. What is digital marketing and why is it needed? In the digital era, what matters most is how you reach the customers. Traditional marketing methods have existed since ages. However, in this digital age, digital marketing is taking the strong grip. Digital marketing is a set of strategies that are designed and applied while creating an advertisement that attract people and convert them as your customers. Digital marketing is one of the best ways to reach out to the prospective customers and draw them towards your business. This course will provide you a clear insight on the concept of digital marketing. At the end of this module, you will be able to define digital marketing and identify the different types of digital marketing. Over the years, digital marketing has grown tremendously. Marketeers believe that digital marketing is only going to get bigger, as many organizations are using online marketing methods to endorse their products and services. The methods such as content ads, campaigns, websites, and other compacts of digital marketing provide good advert content, concept, and customer engagement to the business. The digital marketing has the potential for reaching exponentially more customers than conventional marketing. The conventional marketing methods have a very little or no interaction with the customers. Promoting and selling products or services on newspapers, radio, and TV are some of the examples of conventional marketing. Although the conventional marketing methods have been successful in the past, they all have several limitations. The conventional marketing is relatively expensive compared to digital marketing. They do not provide immediate response, proper feedback, and lack proper targeting. The message you deliver using the conventional marketing is limited and is usually ruled by one-way communication.